Welcome to Step 1, the experiment phase. This is where you get to play and explore AI without any pressure. Think of this as your training wheels moment. It's designed to be fun, low stakes, and confidence building. Here's what you're going to do. Click the link in your Explorer PDF to access our AI Confidence Builder GPT. It's a custom tool we built specifically for beginners like you, and it will guide you through everything step by step. Once you're in, click the friendly button on the page. The GPT will guide you through the next steps. The key here is to experiment. Don't worry about getting it right. There's no wrong way to do this step. Here's the thing. Some of you might find this immediately exciting and want to dive deeper. Others might feel a bit overwhelmed at first, and that's completely normal. The goal isn't to become an expert overnight. It's just to get comfortable having a friendly chat with the tool. You'll know you're ready for Step 2 when you feel comfortable typing in requests and getting responses. You're starting to get consistent, helpful results. Or honestly, if you're getting bored, that might mean you're building confidence faster than expected. Once you've gotten the hang of this, and remember, there's no rush, you'll be ready to learn how to communicate with AI even more effectively, using what we call frameworks. Frameworks are just different ways to talk to the tool to help you get smarter, more targeted responses. When you're ready, click play on the next video, where you'll learn to level up your AI communication skills.